Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see game activity on Discord. First, open Discord and click the user settings gear icon located near your username. Next, scroll down the left sidebar and select Activity Privacy. Then, ensure the option Display Current Activity as a status message is toggled on. This allows Discord to show what you are playing to your friends and server members. After enabling activity status, return to user settings and click Registered Games on the left. Discord often detects games automatically, but if yours isn't listed, click the Add It button. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select your running game or manually browse for its executable file. This step ensures Discord recognizes what you are playing. You have control over who sees your game activity. Within Activity Privacy, you can manage these settings. For instance, you can choose to hide your activity from specific servers or friends. Remember, your privacy settings allow you to tailor your experience, ensuring only those you wish to share with can see what you are currently playing. If your game activity isn't showing, try these troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your game is running in the foreground. Discord might not detect background applications. Second, check Discord's in-game overlay settings, as sometimes these can interfere. Finally, a simple restart of both Discord and your game can often resolve display issues, refreshing the connection between them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.